Okay, Jessie, I'm looking over your audiogram, and you have a 40% hearing loss. And it's delayed, which means that we're not going to hear certain levels of speech very well as some other sounds.
Okay.
So you would benefit tremendously by having hearing aids. And I have those for you right here. Hey, it was backwards, but it's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bet that you can see the bitter side of me now. A different person than you used to know. A distant version of a former love. I bet the air is thin. You've got your head in the clouds. A better view to judge the little ones. You make
Yeah, next week's homework out of the way. For 5.
I did page 69.
No.
Hey, so this is done for. That's a math problem. I'm trying to get together. Are you in?
Hey, you want to move these?
That's not good.
I mean, you have next week's homework out of the way.
Yeah, so I guess
This weekend?
I'm trying to get together. Are you in?
What are you guys talking about?
Actually.
Hey, come on in.
Bet you missed the times that you were part of the crowd.
Well, Jess, it's good you came in because we have some stuff to discuss. I've been looking over your files and your scores, and I just don't think you're going to get into college. College isn't for everyone. It's just so competitive. Competitive. So competitive. So competitive.
You're afraid to lead a normal life. You hide and only come alive at night. Bet the answers lie inside the mind of the child. The burning secrets that will never see daylight. Consume the knowledge that is stored from within and begin. Bet the answers lie inside the mind of the child. The burning secrets that will never see daylight. Consume the knowledge that is stored from within. It's the end.
Jessie?
Oh,
Hey!
hi. How are you?
Good. How are things going?
Things are good. Actually, I recently got acceptance letters from every Florida college I applied to.
Oh, I knew you could do it. I just knew you could do it. I believed in you the whole time.
Oh, thank
Tell me
you.
about it. Come on.
All right.